Warm with sun to clouds on Wednesday. Heavy rain with big puddles developing later Wednesday night. Good Tuesday night, East Tennessee. David Aldrich, Captain Accurate here from the Captain Accurate Weather Command Center. While the ultimate Doppler radar is dry, presented by Matlock Tire Service and Auto Repair, East Tennessee's #1 tire shop and auto repair since 1953. It is a dry scan here. It's quiet all across the volunteer state. But if you were to travel north toward Iowa, suddenly some of those raindrops in green could change over to some snowflakes in blue as you cross into Minnesota. Meanwhile, they've got more snow across New England. This is actually going to be another hot spot for snow this weekend, talking Saturday into Sunday. Northern Pennsylvania, New York State, and New England will be bracing for some heavier snows that come back their way. Meanwhile, for us, it's mostly clear skies. It's mild. I want to show you the almanac. Our high temperature today hit 74 degrees. That's 3 degrees warmer than I expected. We just outperformed. 56, the normal high, 36, the normal low. And while we did not, I repeat, did not have an 87-mile-an-hour wind gust like we did yesterday, it was only 70 miles per hour less at 17 miles per hour at 1:57 today. Meanwhile, temperatures were just a slice of nice. 75 in La Follette, Kingston, Athens, Tellico Plains, and Sevierville. It was 75 in Maryville, Alcoa, and a slice of nice in Morristown and Newport at 72 degrees. Crossville coming in at 69. They hit 80 in Atlanta and 81 degrees today in Tupelo. Take a look at the headlines. Sun to clouds tomorrow, which means we'll have more clouds for the second half of the day. Heavy rain develops Wednesday night, and especially while you're sleeping, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 in the morning is when it may reach its fever pitch. And then rainy early, and then late day on Thursday with more rain on Friday with severe weather, a possibility. Let me show you how much rain we could get just through 9 o'clock Thursday morning. This would be Wednesday night, Thursday. If this were to verify, almost everybody would have over an inch, which would mean some big puddles to wake up to when you start your day Thursday morning. Meanwhile, we add in Thursday afternoon and night, and into Friday, could see 2.5 inches in yellow, anywhere from Jonesville, Middlesboro, back toward Crossville. But this is not, I repeat, not the only game in town. It's not the only slide or weather model I can show you, because there are some more aggressive numbers. 1.7 would fall in Wednesday night, Thursday morning, and that was focused around Knoxville in the valley. But if we added Thursday night, Friday, suddenly we now almost 2 inches, 3 inches, I should say. I see 2.9 in Oneida, 2.6 in Jamestown, so 2.5 to nearly 3 inches of rain between now and Friday would be a lot of rain to take in. Storm Prediction Center looking at 3 different colors over the next couple of maps, but the orange is the numerous, the yellow is the scattered, and the dark green is the isolated severe storm. So kind of working backwards here, I want to show you where we have some concerns tomorrow. That's Memphis, Little Rock for scattered severe storms there, possibly south of Nashville in Middle Tennessee, and even Knoxville. By Wednesday night, Thursday morning, could have some isolated severe storms now in dark green. As we move into Thursday, the weather gets even more unstable. Places like Tyler, Texas, Dallas, Little Rock could have maybe an outbreak of tornadoes. Stronger thunderstorms will likely be in the numerous category there in orange, while we don't see much going on here, as things may actually kind of pull back a bit on Thursday until we get into Thursday night. Because by Friday, the National Weather Service, and more specifically the Storm Prediction Center, thinks much of the southeast from Knoxville, Atlanta, all the way back toward Columbia and Charleston could find some nasty storms on Friday to round out the work week. So here's what's happening tonight. Not much other than a warm front passing by. Temperatures will be significantly warm, at least 3 degrees warmer tomorrow in the upper 70s. Possibly a late day shower further south, but it really gets heavy. Notice at 11 o'clock, but I think it just comes down in buckets. You saw some red areas and yellow areas, so that's where the heavy rains will be focused as it travels along this boundary, the cold front. That front pushes down to the south, and then we see a warm front kind of linger overhead. So it's like a pipeline until the next cold front comes to town on Friday. That could spawn some stronger storms that could be strong to severe, but then it's a lot cooler heading into Friday night and eventually into Saturday. So here's your forecast. 47, mostly clear and mild. Winds will be light and variable. We're looking for lows in La Follette, Knoxville, Kingston, 47, about 50 for Crossville, Jamestown, and Oneida, 48 for Newport. Wednesday, a pair of 7s, sun to clouds. We're talking mid to upper 70s will be more common with an increase in wind. I see winds picking up 25 to 30 for gusts in the afternoon, but they'll start nice and light and variable, at least at sunrise, before they start coming out of the southwest, 5 to 10, eventually 5 to 15. Wednesday, 77 for Knoxville, Morristown. 79 for Newport, 73 for Wartburg, 72 for Crossville. Here's your Captain Accurate Weather Authority forecast for Knoxville, East Tennessee. 100% chance of rain, that's pretty confident. Wednesday night that you get soaked for a little while. Thursday, 69 will be near 70, but back to the low 70s on Friday with strong to severe storms. If you're looking for cooler mornings that are crisp, where we're back in the 30s, you won't have that much longer to wait. Saturday night and again Sunday night, we're back into the mid-30s, but back in the mid-60s by Monday and Tuesday of next week. Now, you can keep track of it all using the Captain Accurate Weather app, now with Pete Michaels Traffic. It's free at the App Store, Google Play. Just search Captain Accurate at the App Store, Google Play, and it works also on your iPad. And if you have Pete Michaels Traffic, which you have on the app, you can get his traffic reports anytime. You just push the button. You don't even have to wait for the radio station. Well, my name is David Aldrich. Some people call me Captain Accurate. It's not easy being accurate. So weather doesn't surprise you. We'll see you here next time. Take care.